Did you know that you can remove other Amazon sellers using your brand with just one click? If you are an Amazon seller selling private label and you are enrolled in Amazon Brand Registry, you have many tools at your disposal, but one allows you to search for other sellers that are using your trademark or design patent and flag them. And Amazon removes them in the span of hours. Great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it very quickly. And we will actually flag a listing that is using my trademark today. And we'll see how that disappears magically from Amazon. You can also download the step-by-step guide on how to do this from the link in the description. So you can outsource this activity to do it recurrently to your virtual assistant if you have it. In order to remove Amazon sellers using your brand, you can just go to Amazon Seller Central. If you're brand registered, you have brands in the menu and you select brand registry. This will open a landing page, but if you're already enrolled, you click on register your brand and you land over here. There is a big button that says report a new violation. This is the tool we're going to use today. So over here, you're just going to search your trademark. In my case, the trademark is the word egg boards, which is my brand name. It can be the singular, plural, both work. And this is going to show all the listings on Amazon that are using that keyword, either in the front end, so title and description, or the back end. You can only report someone who's using it in the title or descriptions. People can do whatever they want in the search terms and the back end of Amazon. So these listings are actually all mine, or companies I made partnerships with, like Shark Wheel. But then if we go down, so these two, they're not mine, but they do not have the word egg board in their title, so I cannot do much. They just copied my product, like it happens for Amazon private label. They're selling a copycat for cheaper, with cheaper materials. I'm still the leader in the space, let's say. So I don't really care, but I cannot do much about them. But how about this guy? This guy is using the word egg board, cruiser, right? You see it here. Well, that's not allowed. And now we're gonna flag it, and this guy is gonna go. It's a bad day for this guy because his listing is gonna be shut down today. In order to report it, we just have to select it here. Click report once selected. In my case, it's a trademark infringement. And there's a few other steps you need to select depending on what's the type of infringement. But after a few steps, you can just click submit and send the flag to Amazon, which will remove this listing. And that is done. It takes like seconds, and you can do it every week just to make sure that no one is using your brand. In general, I do not believe that intellectual property is valuable if you're not willing to defend it. So registering for a trademark or a patent only has value if you are ready to work with lawyers and spend money, a lot of them, to defend it. That's why in general, like, I don't really care about registering intellectual property until I hit like very high volume of sales. But in this case, this is different because this is a tool that is available for any Amazon brand which has registered at least a trademark. This is what you need to register with Brand Registry. And it doesn't require any time or any money. It just requires you to search, click, and submit, and that is it. I hope that this was helpful. I hear a lot of sellers, claiming that someone else is selling their brand and copying their products. Like, for some of these things, there's not much to do other than being the best product and have the best branding if you're an Amazon private label seller like me. But for little things like they use your trademark or your copyright, or you have a design patent that it's easily reportable to Amazon, this tool is pretty handy. So I hope that this helps. You can find a step-by-step guide on my website from the link in the description. It's free to download, and I suggest you do it and you outsource it to a virtual assistant that can do this for you every week. They just search for the terms you want to defend and flag all the listings that are infringing your intellectual property. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I hope that it was good. See ya.